little hands. Little hands.
Really, God, where's this been all my life? Every time I sit down to do a video. Oh, that's good. What a great day! Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something that's just kind of fun that I've been really into lately, and I thought that I would share this with you. I had seen this in the store for some time, and I just thought it was so adorable. And for Valentine's Day, I asked Andrew to get me this because, and it is the Mini Macaron gel manicure kit, and this is so adorable. I, as you know, live in a tiny apartment and storage is at a premium here. So everything that I have has to have a place and it has to be able to fit in there. So this was perfect. I'm going to show you what it is. It's this tiny little Macaron LED light for nails, and actually the top kind of pops off, and it has a power button on top. And the cool thing is this is actually perfect to go. This can be plugged into your computer and it's awesome to take with you. So what the kit includes is the color of the Macaron is the color of the gel that you get. So when you open it up, you get one of these charger ports as well as the charging cable. You also get some of these like nail remover pads for the gel nail polish, so I'm sure it's like 100% acetone. It has obviously an instruction kit, and then you get just a little nail file, the gel nail, which I have cherry red, I believe that this is called, and a tool to push your nails back. So this, I believe, retailed for around $45, which I think is a really, really great deal. I mean, yes, you can only put one. Really? Every time I sit down to do a video. So I think that's a really great price. The one thing is, I did look this up. This gel nail polish is like a one-step system. So other gel polishes won't necessarily work with this, and I tried one and it didn't really cure it, which I'm okay with. So I'll probably order more colors, and they have a really glossy top coat that I think that I would like. For my life, I love to have my nails painted, and I don't like using nail polish because it chips so easily. So having this to be able to use is so awesome. I will link everything down below. But today I wanted to do a at-home DIY manicure because that's what I've really been into. If you're like me, you love to have your nails painted, but A, you don't have time, and B, you don't want to spend money every 2 weeks to get your nails painted. This is like an awesome alternative. So I'm gonna walk you through what I do. So my nails up close, they're pretty bad. I had nail polish on them, but I am a nail, not a biter, but I am a nail picker. So my nails tend to always be short and kind of ugly. Anyway, so I'm gonna bring the water over and I'm just going to soak my hand for a little bit. So I like to push these back, and as you can see, I tried really, really hard to get all that nail polish off, but it is so difficult for some reason. Now we'll do this hand really quickly. I've been really into peppermint green tea. Okay, whew, I'm sweating. We're gonna start onto the nails. So what we do, I need an extension cord or my computer. So now if this still works after that, you plug in one side, like shaking, to that, and then I'm just going to plug it right into, I have a USB-C. And so what it looks like is that. First, I'm quickly just going to shape my nails, just ever I like them rounded. Dip, dip. Now, I have to warn you, I may be the worst nail painter. So with gel, you have to use a really, really thin coat first, and then you go back with the second coat. Let's start. So we have this, and we have this. So I'm gonna start with my good hand. And again, the one thing that takes a long time with having this is you can only do one finger at a time on the edge. And I'm just going to do it really thin coat. And like I already am out of the lines. Then clean it up. And then you just stick your thumb in there and you wait. Far away, you cannot see. I have like some imperfections. As you can see, I need to go over and wrap the tip. But 2 or 3 coats is exactly what you need. So I am going to finish up the rest of my nails and I will show you the end result. Okay, I am all finished. This is what my nails look like. I love a classic red. I'm going to finish off with the Gold Bond. And I just think that this is so nice and classy for, you know, spring and every day. I think a nice red, you know, looks good every season, especially coming into spring. This one's a little more vibrant. You know, it may not be like 100% salon quality, but I think that for at home and doing it yourself, it looks really, really great. And yeah, I get some on the edges and things like that, but you know what? Doesn't really bother me that much. And if I have like a special event and I want to treat myself, then I don't mind going and getting a manicure. But just doing it myself, I think, you know, this is great. So final look. I love it, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in purchasing your own Mini Macaron, I will post the link down below to their website because I think that's the best place to buy it. If you do live in Canada and you have a Hudson's Bay near you, you can check your local Hudson's Bay and see if they sell them there. I do know that they have limited colors, so if you want more of a variety, then go online. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!